Hello and welcome back to LSE 100. I am Dr. Karuna Saraswat Sharma, your very own bio teacher. In my series of videos on principles of inheritance and variation, today I bring for you codominance. Happy learning. We have already done the example of snapdragon or the dog flower. Now we will study the codominance. ABO blood group in human. The gene responsible for the blood group in human is the gene I. This gene I is present in three forms in the population. It could be I raised to capital A, I raised to capital B, or small I. Any two may be present in a single individual. But in the population, you will find three alleles. Dr. Landsteiner, who discovered the blood groups in humans. According to Landsteiner, four types of blood groups. The ABO system, this RBC has got A antigen. Blood group B will have B antigen on the surface of the RBC. RBC which has got A, it has got B on the surface of the RBC. So this kind of blood group is blood group AB. Now in this RBC there is no antigen, so this is blood group O. Presence or absence of antibodies with respect to these antigens in the blood. With respect to the antigen and antibody, we have seen that there are four types of blood groups under the system of ABO blood group in man. Capital IA, or capital IA, small I. Then capital IB, or capital IB, small I. This is capital IA, capital IB. This is small I, small I. IA is dominant over allele small I. IB is dominant over allele small I. However, when IA and IB are together, that is IAIB, neither of them is dominant. They are codominant. Antigen A is produced because of the allele IA and antigen B is produced because of the allele IB. Neither of them masks the expression of the other. Both of them produce the respective antigens. And because both the antigens are present on the surface of the RBC, there cannot be any antibody with respect to the antigens in the person.